Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial we will see how to add users to your Moodle. Users can be added by two methods. First one is individual user upload and second one is bulk user upload. Let's see the first method. Individual user upload. First, click on Site Administration tab on left column. Now, click on Users tab to open various options that will be required to add users. Now, click on Add a new user option. This will redirect you to Add a new user page. At first, type username for new user. Now choose an authentication method. If accounts will be manually created by administrator, then select Manual Account option. Select Email-based self-registration option if you want to enable users to create their own accounts. And select No Login option to suspend particular user account. Here we are manually creating account, so we will select Manual Accounts from drop-down menu. Now create password for user. The password must be according to instruction given above. Now tick checkbox of Force Password Change. If this checkbox is ticked, the user will be prompted to change password on their first login. Now type first name, last name, and email address for user. Note that these are required fields and should be filled by administrator. Now select Preference from drop-down menu for display of user's email to other members. Users can write description about themselves. This information will be visible to others on user's profile page. Users can upload profile picture from their PC. Other fields are optional and can be filled by user on their first login. You can see that new user is created. Administrator can delete user account or can suspend user account. Also can edit user account. By this method, you can create individual user accounts. Now let's see how to bulk upload users to your Moodle. For uploading bulk users, first you need Excel file in CSV format. Now let's see content in CSV file that will be required to upload users. First column should be username. Second column should be password. Here, we are giving same password to everyone, so user can change it on their first login. Third column should be first name. Fourth column should be last name. Next column should contain email address of users. Once you have CSV file with required data, save it somewhere on PC. Check description of this video for sample CSV file. Now click on Site Administration. Then, click on Users. Now click on Upload Users. You will redirected to Upload Users page. Click on Choose a File button, then browse CSV file stored in PC and upload it. Here you can see the preview of users that will be uploaded to your Moodle. Now scroll down and select Settings for user upload. First select Upload Type from drop-down menu according to your preference. Then select New User Password Preference from drop-down menu. Set Force Password Change to All so that all users will be prompted to change password on their first login. Other fields can be edited by users on their first login, so you can keep them blank and click Upload. Here you can see the status of uploaded users. Note that 4 users are created and 1 user is skipped. That happened because 2 users are having same username. Now to see list of uploaded users, click on Site Administration. Then click on Users. Then click on Browse List of Users. Here, you will see the list of all uploaded users. Administrator can delete or temporarily suspend or can edit any user account. Note that, for administrator account, there is no suspend or delete option. So here are the 2 methods to add users to your Moodle. Thank you for watching.